Happy New Year, crafty friends! Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I'm unboxing the January 2026 new My Creative Scrapbook main kit. So let's dive in and take a look at all the gorgeous products that are included in this month's kit. So this month I am so excited about everything that comes in the kit. First, we have a pre-cut cut file, and this one says, "Let it snow." Once you remember, you do receive a code, and you can resize that or print any cut files that My Creative Scrapbook has on their website. We received this Simple Stories Snow Flurry stencil. Can't wait to use that. This is from American Crafts, and there's so many titles on here. So these are puffy stickers. We've got phrases and snowflakes, both in black and in gold. These are so pretty. Great for the holiday season to scrapbook all of our holiday memories. We also received this really cool 49 Market Winter Stories Rub-On Transfer Set. There's two 6x8 sheets in here. And then our collection this month is the Simple Stories Simple Vintage Flannel Season. So these are the chipboard stickers that we received. I love like that little vintage feel that comes along with the Simple Stories products. These are really cute. I like the snowman and the deer. Then we received the large ephemera pieces. So I really like that this month. So there are 13 large ephemera pieces in here that match the Simple Stories Simple Vintage Flannel Season. So you can take a look at these. This one just says Winter, It's Cold, Baby. We've got Hello Winter. Let's Stay Home and Cozy Up. So many fun winter sayings. Oh, I love this one. Wintertime Fun with the snowman on the sled. We've got this one with the deer. These are great layering pieces. They take up a lot of real estate on your scrapbook page, so they're easy to use. So those are really nice. Then we received the cardstock stickers for the collection. I love the word flannel season here at the top. We've got the wordy bits at the bottom, as well as lots and lots of stickers. Here are some of the papers. So we've got the Simple Vintage Flannel Season. This one is the 4x6 elements. I'm going to try to flip these over so you can see both sides. I've got this glass board mat that does two 12x12. So let me see if I can get them in frame here. Practice for upcoming layouts with the flannel. Then we've got the 2x2 and 4x4 elements. There's one on here that says, "I love cold nights, warm blankets, and a hot cocoa." That is so me. And then there's one that says, "It's so freaking cold." I say that every day. So this collection was made for me. Then flannel on the back. This is the 3x4 elements. So these are the cut apart cards. There's a stay cozy to-do list on here. Frosty's Fabulous Snow. There's just really cute pieces on here. Then this one looks like a sweater, so that's always fun. This is the journal elements. So we've got lots and lots of spaces and for journaling. This is the tag elements. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15 tags. And then the back, if you don't want to use the images, you can use those for journaling. This was the bundled up paper. Then we have the warm and fuzzy paper. And on the back, it has like Cozy Up, Winter Wonderland. This one's got some pine cones and some winter flowers. I love this one. So pretty. And then this paper, the wood one, I love this one. It's called Staying Cozy. I think I've already ordered this one like individually from a scrapbook website. I love that one so much. And then this one's called Frosted Fun with all the trees. And then we've got polka dots that are on the back. And this one's called Ready, Set, Snow. I love this one with the plaid and then all the snowflakes. And then this one, can you see that pattern? That's really pretty. It kind of looks like an old newspaper, but on different colored paper. Winter Joys is the name of this paper, and then like some greenery on the back. So you get lots and lots of items in the scrapbooking kit. It's my favorite kit that I receive check out the website. I will leave it linked down below, as well as a link to the Facebook group where you'll find lots and lots of inspiration. Leave me a thumbs up and a comment if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.